Hey guys, welcome to my continuation video of coloring in Rain, my new dragon fox. Today we will be coloring her in. My previous video, for those of you who are new to my channel and you want to go check it out, it's my outlining video of Rain. That will be in my drawings playlist, and also you can check out my other drawings there as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell button so you get notified for whenever I upload new videos. And don't forget to check down in the description box below. All my social media will be there, so like and follow those if you want to get notified for whenever I upload new pictures. Let's get started. And also if you want to hear the backstory of Rain, that's also going to be that was also in my outlining video, because I explained everything about her basically. So if you want to go hear the backstory, it will be there. And it will also be in the description box of that video, not this video, because I don't think I'll remember to post down the same thing over and over again. Yeah. So I'm going to start with BG3, which is turquoise. I'm going to be using my chameleon markers to do this. So first I'm going to color in parts of her ear. And one of her tails too. You can tell whenever I do these Dragon Fox videos, I'm basically coming up with the colors on the spot, because you can tell, because I kind of run out of things to say basically about it. So that's it for the turquoise. Now I'm going to use BG1, which is Lagoon, and I'm going to shade the turquoise and then color in some parts as well. So I'm just shading in part of her tail and part of her ears. I'm going to color in her hooves, two of them for now. And now I'm going to use some green on her. I'm going to use GR1, which is green apple, and color in the other hooves. And then I'm going to color in one of her tails as well with this color. Okay, so I'm done with green apple. Now I'm going to use GR2, which is dark sage, to shade in parts of her feet. And add a little color to her forehead. And I think that's it for her. I wanted to keep this coloring more simple. So yeah. So here's the overview of Rain. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button so that way you get notified for whenever I upload new videos. Also, don't forget to check out my drawings playlist if you're new to my channel. And also check out my social media in the description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!